In this video, I'm going to show you how to email pay stubs from QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to set up your email, go to Edit top left, and from here go to Preferences at the bottom, then click on Send Forms over here, and then under My Preferences you can select, of course, how you want to send email. You have Webmail, which is like Yahoo, Gmail, or something similar, or you have Outlook if you want to use Outlook over here, okay? Then press the OK button and you've successfully set that up, and then the next step is going to be to email the pay stubs. So go to the File menu top left and you want to switch to single user mode. So I've done this already. If it says switch to single user mode here, click on it, but if it says switch to multi-mode user, it means you're currently inside the single user mode, okay? So that's correct. Then you want to go to File, and then over here you have Print Forms, and then here you have pay stubs, okay? So as you can see, pay stubs are in the middle. Click on it, and then from here, whenever you, of course, do that, you'll be able to check the boxes next to the employees you want to email. So I, of course, can check, for example, these boxes over here, and then you have two options, print or email. So click on the email button over here, and then you click on OK over here, and then it's going to basically take you through this menu where you basically have to type in the email, stuff like that, and then just keep on going through, and that's essentially how you can send emails with pay stubs from QuickBooks Desktop. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.